The paintwork wasn't just shiny, it was looking quite aged, sort of needed a bit of a facelift. There's sort of a bit of rust here and there, the tyres were all cracked, they've been sitting deflated for a few years. We chose the Vintage Garden Tractor Company because they were a local business and they were very reasonable on the price, and as you can see the quality of work was really good as well. I've owned the tractor for about 10 years now. So when we first got the tractor, we was harrowing the fields with it. Yeah, it's just sort of pulling around the house really, and then for quite a few years it just sat in the shed. And then we found out about the Vintage Garden Tractor Company. They turned it into what it is today. Go on a few tractor runs, things like that. Take it to country shows as well, so other people get to see it. Instead of it just sitting in the barn and only one person gets to see it the whole way, you know. There's no point keeping it locked away, is there? Yeah, I'd definitely recommend the Vintage Garden Tractor Company.